In a quiet corner of the cosmos, nestled between galaxies and interstellar wonders, time held court. It was a silent symphony, unheard but always felt, each beat echoing the birth and death of stars, each pause a cosmic breath of void. The celestial bodies that danced across the universe had their rhythms, guided by the invisible baton of time. They spun in orbits, waxed and waned, burst into supernovae and collapsed into black holes, all to the measures of time's grand composition. In this cosmic theater, two celestial companions, Luna and Terra, had been dancing together for eons. Luna, a silent satellite, revolved around Terra, a lively blue-green planet teeming with life. Their waltz was a testament to time's delicate choreography. One cycle, Luna noticed a change. Terra, vibrant and full of life, seemed to be altering. The green began to recede, and the blue dwindled. Alarmed, Luna turned to the only constant they knew: time. "Old Maestro," Luna pleaded, "why is Terra changing? What's happening to our dance?" Time, whose voice was the hum of galaxies spinning, replied, "Evolution, Luna. Terra is merely responding to the strokes of my baton." "But how can I help?" Luna asked, unable to bear the transformation. "Influence," Time said, the whisper of a comet's tail. "Through your gravitational pull, you can soothe Terra's upheaval, stir her oceans, shape her climates." Heartened, Luna began its gentle gravitational tugs, working with Terra's natural rhythms, lending its energy to heal the ailing planet. Years turned into centuries, centuries into millennia, the music of time forever echoing their dance. Slowly but surely, Terra regained her vibrant hues. The dance continued, albeit changed, reflecting their trials and tribulations. Even as this was happening, a far-off star, Sol, watched. Sol was old, older than both Terra and Luna, and he had seen time's tune play out in countless forms. Seeing Luna's dedication and the change in their celestial dance, Sol felt a warmth he had never known before. "Time," Sol whispered, "is this your melody?" In the silent vacuum, Time's reply echoed, "Yes, my old friend. It's the song of change, resilience, and renewal. It's the proof that even in the most cosmic of scales, every player has a part in shaping the melody." Thus, in the grand symphony of the cosmos, time conducted its eternal orchestra. From celestial bodies to cosmic events, everyone played their part, learning and adapting to the beats of time, their silent maestro. Each of us has our own part to play in this beautiful planet called Earth, to take care of it and to take care of one another. With the time given to us, no one knows how much we have or how much is left. Let us live our lives helping and loving one another to make our planet a better place, just like Luna and Terra, making a silent symphony that echoes through the universe, even long after we are gone. Thanks for watching.